Hi, good morning. This is Junaid from GMG E-commerce. Today we'll talk about the specific events which really helpful for you on Amazon to boost your sales. The events I was talking about, it's Amazon Prime Day, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and specifically the Q4, because very useful for you to boost your sales and enhance your revenue in some manner. No matter whether if you are stagnant on Amazon, definitely these events can really helpful for you to boost your sales. So the first point is to make sure that you do have a stock according to the requirement by analyzing your previous data, because if you are not analyzing your previous data, it could really harm you to get excessive inventory on Amazon. Yes, these events are really helpful for you because the higher potentials of the buyers or grabbing their shopping on Amazon on another platform, specifically on these events. So make sure that you do have a right analysis about your inventory and replenish your inventory according to them. So the second thing is you need to make sure your listing is optimized in a fully manner. You can use the right relevant keyword which Amazon algorithm can understand, so that could be helpful for you to rank and indexing your listing on Amazon. So make sure that you put the right tangible keywords on Amazon, like high competitive keyword. Everybody wish to be ranked on a high competitive keyword, but it costs you more. So make sure that you are using the long-term keyword and low competitive keyword as well, but make sure that these are relevant keywords so Amazon algorithm can understand and index you in the future. The third thing is set competitive prices. So the pre-planned strategy is about to make sure that everybody know there are three type of prices on Amazon. The first price is a break-even price, the second price is a stable price, the third price is a premium price. So definitely everybody is earning on a stable price and on a premium prices, but on break-even point it's just about the backup plan in case if you are not taking a margins on Amazon. So definitely you need to put that your product on a break-even point at initial stage of your product, because at that time not have a review rating. So definitely you can do such kind of stuff. So make sure before to enter into these events you do have a premium prices for the 1 month. Once the event is just about to begin, you need to put your product on a stable price. At that time you do have advantage of a flash or popping up pricing on Amazon, which can really helpful or attract your buyers as well. So the third point is relating to make sure on this event you do have a right marketing strategy. You need to make sure that your product could be visible in some manner. So on this event the bidding auctions is very high on Amazon, so make sure to increase your budget to target high relevant keyword and the brand related keyword as well, because brand related keyword are really going to help you in futures. So prepare for the future as well in this scenario. So the next thing is you should make sure that the retargeting customer once again, because that kind of a customer who know about your product and they can buy once again your product. And make sure that to retargeting the customer who didn't purchase your product and put your product in add to cart and then go to your competitor. So make sure that grab their attention once again. So that could be the best for your interest as well. So now the next thing, you need to make sure that the social media promotions as well before to enter into these events. Like you can collaborate with some influencer, or you can before to event you can just post on Amazon, or you can also go live on Amazon to make a hype of your product on these specific event. Definitely everybody put a reminder or schedule for the buying of your product, or put your product on add to cart for these specific events. So make sure that you are have a very good communication with the customer in some manner. If a customer is asking for any kind of a queue relating to your product, let them keep update about your upcoming product, and while they do have an idea about it, they make sure with coming plans of to purchase your product on Amazon. The next thing is on these events, definitely if you are going to create a bundle or limited time promotion or flash deal, or make sure that you are running such kind of a promotion on Amazon, that could really help you, because Amazon first priority is to just boost any sellers on Amazon who do run specific sales on Amazon relating to these events, and because Amazon do understand that you are also giving Amazon advantage, that Amazon is just selling these events are very crucial to make a hype. So you should make sure grabbing the sales and revenue on Amazon on this event. So let them make a bigger event as Amazon dream of. So the next thing is to make sure about your competitor monitoring. You should have an idea about it, what your competitor is going to sell on Amazon and on which keywords they are ranking, they are looking up, or they are launching a new product or not. So that could be really helpful for you to keep an updated I believe so. What strategy or what drill you do have to carry on every evening, you need to just check out or track your competitors Amazon real-time management tools. So you should have an idea about it, on which keyword this week or this day specific competitors are grabbing the sales, or what changes he has done, or what he's up to. So definitely you should have an update about such kind of a scenario. So it's better to know your competitor before to make a strategy, because a competitor strategy is really now the times has to come up, and on the real day, on the real time, you need to monitor everything and make sure if things are not working for you, you need to just adjust things on a real time monitoring, or enhance your bidding, or to lower your bidding auction. So that could really up to on the specific days. I want to add up more relating to this specific thing, because immediate or real time monitoring adjustment is very crucial. No matter you do not have an idea about it, Amazon auction bid just give you the idea what could be the competitive biddings for these keywords on specific day. Yes, definitely you need to be competitive and aggressive on the biddings, because you want your visibility in the end, while you can make a real revenue. And after coming every PPC sales, 3 or 4 organic sales also come upon these keywords. So that could be really helpful. So make sure you do have a backup plan as well once you are just operating with Amazon. And I hope so you will enjoy this video, and make sure to adopt my few basic points so you can just grow on these specific day. I believe so Black Friday is just upcoming, so by adopting this strategy you can maximize your sales revenue on this specific day. And for till now, wait for my new update. Goodbye.